Assalamualaikum. And a very good morning. I bid to my lecturer, Dr. Suhana Muhammad. So I am Fauza Wani binti Saniman. My metric number is 2023999083. So I'm presenting the data of the deaths early childhood based on infant and based on neonatal. So there is two types of data here. So there is a infant and also neonatal. So it is based on state. I choose Johor, Kedah, and also Kelantan. So this data is from the year of 2017 to 2021. What is the difference of infant and also the neonatal? So the neonatal is refers to a newborn, specifically during the first 28 days of life. So for infant is a term for a baby from birth to 1 year of age. So this is the data of Johor, Kedah, and also Kelantan. So this is for infant and also this is for neonatal. So we can see here this section, C section, is the data during January 1, 2017, and this is for female, and this is the total number of deaths of infant. So move on to the next. This is the neonatal death for Kedah, Johor, Kedah, and also Kelantan. So this is the descriptive data. I divide it into two cases, the infant and also neonatal. So the mean for infant is 186.666666667. So it is the average of infant cases in Johor, Kedah, and also Kelantan. Neonatal, the mean is 122.9259259. So I use the formula of equal average function to get this mean of infant and also neonatal cases. For example, this is my function average, and I choose the during this number. So the standard error of infant cases is 11.76965623, and also the neonatal cases 7.629191. So the median of infant cases is 170.5, and also the neonatal cases is 112.5. So what is the meaning of median? So the median is the middle number of cases. So how I get the median is using this function median, and I choose the number based on the data. So the mode is for infant cases is 158, and also the neonatal cases is 70. So the mode means the data that is the most common value in the data set. So how to find the mode is I use this formula mode here, and I choose the data. So the standard deviation of infant cases is 86.48, and also the neonatal cases is 56.8. 06. So how do I get the standard deviation formula? So the standard deviation formula is STD EVP. So this is the standard deviation formula. So just put the number according to the data. So the sample variance is 0.334, and also neonatal cases is 43143.05. The kurtosis is 0.612, and also for neonatal cases is 0.3982. The skewness is 1.0537, and for neonatal cases is 0.9886. The range is 351 for infant cases, and for neonatal cases is 2 to 1. The minimum number of data of infant cases is 71, and for 53 for neonatal cases. For maximum, it is 422 cases for infant cases, and for neonatal cases, the maximum deaths is 274. So for the sum total of the data 2017 to 2021 for infant cases is 10,080, and for neonatal cases is 6,638. So for the count is 54, and also neonatal cases is 54. That is for this the descriptive data for these two cases. So next we move on to the pivot chart analysis. So this is the infant deaths through the year 2017 to 2021. So the infant deaths for the blue one is for female, and also the male is the orange one. So for the Johor, the blue one, the female one is 1013, and the male one is 3439 for Johor. For the Kedah, for the female cases is 552, and the orange one 1910. For the Kelantan 667 for the female, the blue one, and also the male, the orange one is 2499. So next for the neonatal deaths is the blue one, which is the female, is 2084, and the orange one for the male is 788. For Kedah, for the female one is 1185. The orange one is 443. So the for Kelantan, for the blue one is 1506, and male 632 for the orange one. So that is the for the pivot chart analysis. So this is the tableau data of my data of the infant deaths and also the neonatal deaths. So we go for infant first. So this is the data of the infant deaths. So I total the male and also the female. So for the Johor, for the infant deaths during the year of 2017 to 2021. So for Johor it's 4,000, near 4,500. It's 400. For the exact, it is 4,452. So the for Kedah, it is near 2,500, and for exact, it is 2,462. And For Kelantan, it is above 3,000 but below 3,500. So for exact, it is the 3,166. That is for the number of infant deaths through the year 2017 and 2021 based on state of Johor, Kedah, and also Kelantan. So we move on to the next data. So this is the neonatal data. This graph shows the number of neonatal deaths through the year 2017 and also to 2021. So for Johor, it is near to 3,000. For exact, it is 2,872, and for Kedah, it is above 1,500. So it is 1,628, and for Kelantan it is above 2,000, which is 2,138. So that's all for my presentation at W. Thank you.